Avenza has a really good feature called plotting photos. What happens there is that when you take photos with a camera or drone that have location services on, you are able to import those photos into Avenza and then plot them for the location in which they were taken. What I like for that feature is specifically with using the drone, there's scenarios where we have rivers that breach the bank and they start flowing in different directions. What I'm able to do with the drone is put the drone up, fly it over the feature with a timer set for a photo, and follow that new location of where that stream is. Once completed, I bring the drone back, download the photos from the drone into my iPad, and then I plot those photos in Avenza. From there, you will see place marks where each photo was taken, and then you can take the draw tool in Avenza and now just match those photos up, and now essentially you have a new track that represents the new stream location. One scenario that I think that's an important feature is for search and rescue, when you've got individuals that could be lost out in the bush, and if they happen to be found or located using a drone, simply by taking a photo, then returning the drone to the pilot, you can then upload that photo into Avenza and then plot it, then navigate to where the individuals are. If you want to learn more about Avenza, please check out my YouTube channel where I walk you through short little tutorials on many of the great features that Avenza has to offer.